friends from Prestec TV. Today we are come to learn how you can acquire the skills and make massive money day in day out from that particular skills, and it is free as well. Some are very cheap, which is purchasable, and it is easy cheap. So please let's dive into the video. You're welcome back once again to Prestec TV. I know as you are watching, you will practice and put things together for you to earn something for yourself or acquire some good for yourself. This website is rapidentrepreneur.com, rapidentrepreneur.com, and I will leave the website link in the video description below so that you can access it easy as well. So here's the platform where we will learn a skills for us to make money, make massive money from there, make massive money from there. So let's scroll down and see something here. Here is build a profitable online business with a website in 4 days. So if you want to learn how to build or create a website, just come here, you click on enroll now, you click on enroll now, then have it yourself. They will teach you step by step. This website work in the worldwide, not Ghana alone or Nigeria alone. Every country, which is Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Bangladesh, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, any country you can access this website through the worldwide, and you can purchase it through your local currency there. So, and if you want to learn digital marketing, that's the secret about digital marketing, here is for free. Yes, that's why I told you you can access some of this course for free without paying anything, even a peso for it. And it is very necessary for you to also learn this skill, digital marketing skills. It is free, it is free, it is free. So as I told you, you can click on enroll now and purchase or buy it. And when it comes to rapid WhatsApp e-commerce, how to make money nowadays, many people are making money through their WhatsApp status and others. So for this one, they will teach you step by step and how to create a website, or how to create a website on your WhatsApp so that you can make money online. And the amazing thing is, when you acquire these skills, you can do it for others and charge them for money. Yes, you can do this for others and charge them for money. It is 200 Ghana cedis, which is very affordable. Acquire these skills and tie for your life and making money always within day in day out for yourself. It is easy for you to get this. I'll leave the website link in the video description below so that you get access to it. But please, before moving forward or forge ahead, please subscribe to the channel, smash the bell notification button and like it, share to your friends for them to also know how we are making or are making useful of the internet through our mobile phone. And you can also make purchase digital marketing skills. Digital marketing skills entails a lot, which is all the social media marketing skills. They will also teach you, which is also 400 Ghana cedis, which is also very cheap. Someone will teach you only the Facebook or YouTube marketing skills and charge you for 400 Ghana cedis. But for this one, all the social media and other hidden secrets about digital marketing skills are combined in one, and they will teach you or they will charge you for 400 cedis. Just click on enroll now and have it for yourself. And website designing, if you are interested in learning website design, please, this one is also a 400 Ghana cedis. This one is also a 400 Ghana cedis. It is very cheap, which is affordable as well. And please just do it now, take action now, because for this thing, I will give you a bonus tip from this tutorial, and I'll show you where, if you're in Ghana or Nigeria, where you can get a job, and you'll be amazing, you'll be surprised for learning these skills and making tons of money from it. And they've joined all the courses together, which is rapid mastery course, all in one, and it is 600 Ghana cedis. Wow, look, it is 600 Ghana cedis, which is very cheap. So please don't waste my time on this. Let me click on enroll and show you something. Enroll now. You just enter your password. Okay, let me fill in with this. You can click on keep me sign in, then you hit sign in. Yes, I have this. Yes, the same thing. I just enter my password for you to see something. As you want to purchase, me, I have so many courses. I have learned many courses here, so you can also learn many courses. So when you click on purchase now, which is purchase now here, purchase now, when you click on it, let's wait for it to load. Please try your maximum best to have this course for your own, because it will help you a lot. So it is 600 Ghana cedis, and you will click on proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. When you click on proceed to checkout, they will when you click on proceed to checkout, you pay the money, which is 600 Ghana cedis. I don't know the other amount in the dollars and other Nigerian naira and other currencies. So in Ghana is 600 Ghana cedis. Every country can have access to this platform, and you can pay through your local currency, and it is very easy, cheap, and affordable. So when you click on proceed to check, let me click on it for you to see something here. I'll give you a bonus tip on how to get or find a job after purchasing these skills. Yes, you fill your name in the details or information below, which is your first name, your last name, your company name. That's the optional. In Ghana, my region is Ghana. So when you click here, you see so many countries, Germany or Georgia and others. There are so many countries. So, and I choose Ghana. And street address, you enter your street address, town or city, country, a state or country, which is Ashanti. Postal code in Ghana, our postal code is 00233, and this one too is also optional. Your WhatsApp number, your email address, yes, so that you get access to it. When you click on it, then you can use your PayPal account to purchase this, and you can also use your mobile money to purchase. This website is very amazing. You can access this website and you can pay through your mobile money only if you are in Ghana. And even Nigerian people or the other countries which have been using which are using the mobile money transfer can also buy through their mobile money transfer. Togo, Nigeria, Benin, Bangladesh, South Africa, Algeria, Georgia, and others, they all have access to this website, which is very cheap and free as well. Learn this and you'll make massive money from it. Let me take you through the process on how you can apply for jobs in other local websites. Okay, so when you click on it, you click on I have read and accept the condition. Yes, you tap it, then you scroll down. Sorry, you tap it, then you submit it, they will approach you or request or talk to you as much as you did it correctly. So let's move into other side. Well, before that, please let me show you the reviews of other people who have been purchasing or using this website. I don't want to make this video lengthy, but I want to teach you the step-by-step procedures on how you can access this. So if you're in the house looking for how to make money online, please, you can you can do all your maximum best to make online by other apps and other softwares, but please, I'm encouraging you to have a skills for your own. And even if when you are in the house doing nothing, you can enjoy or make money from that skills: website design, logo design, affiliate marketing, mobile app creation, email marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, freelancing, graphic design, business management system. All these are for you, so please check it out. And 600 Ghana cedis, all these courses are involved, so please make sure you have it. So 1000 students and certificate, models, niches and others. Listen to some of student testimonials so you can check it here. I love the way structures took his time to explain the difficulties and complex parts in simple terms to my understanding. I recommend this timely course for everyone. Thanks, Rapid. So here is Evan. I love the leave, which is Q&A part of the courses. It makes it easy for me to reach the structure anytime I need an assistant, and he readily assists. Thank you very much. So they will guide you through everything for you to complete, and after that they will give you a certificate which you can also use to apply for job anywhere anytime. And let me take you to the other platform where you can also apply for job. Let's go to Gigi and find work or search for work which we have experience with, so that we can make cool money or cool cash from there. This Gigi app is working in Nigeria and other countries, but for me, I'm in Ghana, so I'll just log in or go straight to the Gigi app for you to see how it also works. So let me come here and click on it. If you have skills, graphic design, website design and others, you can make money massively from this. So please, I will encourage you to have a skills, and I will leave that website in the video description, so when you click on it you can purchase this. It is easy and very cheap, affordable for you to purchase that thing, so that you can also learn something and make money from here. So let me go to jobs and search for graphic design. Let me search for graphic design. Okay, let's check here. It's graphic designers wanted in Osu. Yes, those who are in Ghana, graphic design wanted in Osu, which is 1,000 to 1,000 to 1,500 cedis. Yeah, so if you have graphic design skills, yeah, 1,000 and 1,500 people, they are the people who need or who have acquired graphic design skills are needed here, so you can apply for this. Please go and purchase that skills. Go and purchase that one. It's very affordable, and learn it step by step. It is easy to learn, so that you can also make cool cash from this. Apart from you being employed to this aspect, you can also upload your skills here. Yes, just check here, graphic designer, contact for price. Yeah, so this thing, you determine the price you get per a design. Just check here to graphic designer, 70 cedis per day. So if he design a work for you, he will charge you for 70 cedis, and it is very good. So it is good for you to acquire skills, and acquiring skills too, it's it can help you in so many ways. So please, I will encourage you to learn skills so that you can also make cool money from that. Please take action now, because this for these skills you can move to so many countries with these skills. No one will take these skills away from you. Stop working from others and have something with your own. So you not graphic designs alone, you can application you can also search for application employment. So female house assistants needed. Female house assistants needed. So a bank credit officer one for employment. In case of anything, you can get a cool job there. So I will take you through the platform so that you can also make cool money from there. Not in Ghana alone, people who are in Nigeria, Kenya, and other countries can also apply for such jobs only if you have the skills. Graphic design, application design, website design, like all that kind of digital skills are very important and very relevant in the system. So it is good and it is better for you to have some skills for your own, for skills with your own. So please, I'll encourage you to acquire that skills. I'll encourage you to have a skills. So for you to be having a skills is easy. It is very easy. For this for the platform which you can apply for that, or which you can purchase for that skills, every country is accepted, not Ghanaians alone or Nigerians or Togo, Kenya alone. Everywhere you are, you can apply or purchase that skills. It is very cheap and it is easy for you to earn, for you to purchase that skills. So please, I will tell you or plead with you to subscribe to the channel so that you will receive a bell notification when we upload a new video. We have a lot of valuable content to share with you guys. So please subscribe to the channel, like the smash the like button, and leave your comment below if in case you faced any challenge or in case of any problem. Just DM us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.